Today I'll be telling you guys how Upwork's milestone works. So basically milestone means dividing your work into certain group and paying the worker or paying basically your employee according to that. So let's say I have a really big project and that project is going to take at least 2 months to finish. I cannot just make my employees work for 2 months and pay them at last. It is going to be hard. So what I can do is break the work into chunks. Let's say I say, okay, if you complete this amount, so let's say my total pay is around $500. Let's say if you complete 10% of the work, I will pay $100. If you complete another 50% of the work, I will pay you $200. And if you complete the rest of the work, then I will pay you $200. That is going to be total of $500. If he completes the first 10%, I pay him $100. After he completes the next 50%, I pay him $200. And after he completes the rest of the remaining jobs, I pay him the rest of the remaining money. So that is basically what milestone is. If you have big project, you can just divide your work into milestone and pay them along the way instead of just having them wait until the end to pay them. Because if you have a 6-month job and you're just like making them work for 6 months so you can pay them at last, most people, they do not agree to work in those kind of jobs. But if you pay them each month basically until they complete the work, then they basically might join your work. So that is basically what milestone and Upwork means. Now you can set the milestone whenever and however long you want. It's up on you. So I hope you understand how we guys can do this. Guys, found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.